Good morning, everyone. My name is Lukman Hakim, and today I will be presenting the introduction and background of the company we visited, Mycron Steel Berhad. Steel is an essential material used in many industries, including construction, automotive, and manufacturing. Companies like Mycron Steel play a crucial role in ensuring a steady supply of high-quality steel products to meet industrial demands. In this presentation, I will cover the company's history, its key subsidiaries, and its contribution to various industries. Mycron Steel Berhad, often abbreviated as MSB, is a leading midstream steel processing company based in Malaysia. It was incorporated on 24 July 2000 2003 and later listed on the main market of Bursa Malaysia under the stock code Mycron 5087. The company operates as an investment holding entity, providing corporate management services to its wholly owned subsidiaries involved in manufacturing, processing, and trading of steel products. Mycron Steel specializes in producing cold rolled coils or CRC and steel tubes, which are used in various sectors such as automotive, for car body panels, exhaust pipes, and structural reinforcement. Second, electronics and appliances used in refrigerator, washing machines, and air conditioners. Third, construction for structural framework, roofing, and wall panels. And lastly, for engineering and manufacturing, where they supply in pipes, scaffoldings, and mechanical components. As a steel manufacturer, Mycron Steel sources raw materials such as hot rolled coils (HRC) and converts them into high-precision steel products that are essential for downstream industries. The company strives for innovation, high-quality production, and sustainability to meet both local and international market demands. It also focuses on technologies and advancements to improve steel processing efficiency and ensure compliance with global industry standards. Mycron Steel Berhad operates through three primary subsidiaries, each specializing in a different aspect of the steel industry. But today I will talk about Mycron Steel CRC Sedian Berhad, or MSCRC. The first subsidiary, Mycron Steel CRC Sedian Berhad (MSCRC), was established on 6 January 1989 and started production in June 1990. It is notable for being the first manufacturer cold rolled coils (CRC) in Malaysia and second the only Bumiputra owned steel company in the country. MSCRC specializes in cold rolling technology, which involves reducing the thickness of hot rolled steel through a series of precision rolling processes to produce high strength and high quality steel sheets. Key function of MSCRC is cold rolling process, where they convert hot rolled coils (HRC) into thin gauge cold rolled steel sheets with enhanced strength and surface finish. Second, the annealing and temper rolling. This process improves ductility, hardness, and mechanical properties of the steel. Third, surface finishing and coating, where they produce smooth, corrosion-resistant steel that is suitable for automotive and electronic application. There are several industries served by MSCRC, such as for the firstly, its automotive use in car body panels, chassis and safety reinforcement, and second, electronics and home appliances were essential for air conditioners, refrigerators, and TVs. And thirdly, construction roofing, where they use in wall cladding, metal doors, and ceiling.
Next, the processes used by Micro Steel Company for processing the rolled steel. First, continuous pickling line. Second, rolling and coating. Third, core roll mile. Fourth, electrolyte cleaning line. And lastly, skin pass tension. The first process is continuous pickling line. Steel coil or sheet which are imported are continuously fed into the line without stop, reducing downtime. This help to reduce delay with manual laboring. Roll steel usually come with rust. There are ways to remove rust. One, by sandblasting, and another one by soaking the steel in the hydrochloric acid, which is this company are using. There are of few tank of acid. The first tank is the lowest acidity, and it will continuously increase. And this process closed loop, which mean that the acid will be reused. The second step, rolling and coating. Start with rinsing the steel to remove acid on the steel surface. The coat, then the steel will be coated with protective layer, usually oil, to prevent the steel from rusting. The third process, the core roll mill. The purpose of this process to decrease the thickness of the steel to the desired dimension which are requested by the client. The process are repeated because it can in one shot. One repeated cycle is called pass, and the pass always end in odd number. This process help to enhance the material strength. The fourth process, electrolyte cleaning line. Contaminant removal in steel. Use electrolyte solution and electric current. Break down impurity for effective steel cleaning. Ensure cleaning uniform surface for further processing. The fifth process, skin pass tension leveler line. The steel manufacturing process use skin passing. It improves the surface texture or roughness and mechanical properties. By increasing the surface roughness or make it rougher, it helps to make that the steel surface stick the paint more longer. Tension leveling. It helps to eliminate the shape of defect and make it more flat. It enhances output, produce flat, smooth and uniform steel. The last process, batch annealing furnace. Used to soften corrode steel coils, improving their ductility and eliminating internal stress caused during rolling. The material are put in the stove, and then they will put nitrogen to remove the oxygen. When they want to start the burning process, they will put the hydrogen gas to remove the nitrogen gas. Then they will burn the material until the crystallization temperature.
Next, I will be discussing defects or quality issue that occurs during various stages of the metal processing line. This defect can significantly impact the final product quality and must be carefully controlled. Starting with the continuous pickling line, uneven acid cleaning can leave streak or stain. It is happen on the metal surface, affecting how it looks and works. Too much pickling remove too much material and causes scratches, making the metal weaker. Not enough pickling leave behind unwanted residue that affect the next process. Also, if the edge get too hot, it can create defects that make the metal less strong. Moving on to rolling and coating. Uneven rolling can cause thickness variation, leading to inconsistent product dimension. If debris or roller malfunctions occur, they can result in surface scratches, which affect both aesthetic and functionality. Poor surface preparation can lead to coating adhesion issue, causing peeling or flaking. Moreover, improper tension control during rolling may lead to wave or buckling. making the material unsuitable for further use. In the cold rolling stage, excessive rolling stress can cause cracks along the edge, leading to product rejection. Uneven thickness distribution may create wrinkles in the center of the strip. Additionally, surface dents can occur if rolls are dirty or damaged, compromising product quality. In extreme cases, improper tension control can cause the metal strips to break, leading to material waste or production delays. Next, the electrolyte cleaning line play a crucial role in ensuring the surface is properly cleaned before further processing. However, inadequate cleaning can leave behind dirty or contaminant, affecting subsequent treatment. Conversely, excessive cleaning may damage the surface, reducing the material strength. Improper drying can also lead to watermark, creating an uneven finish, while poor electrolyte application can cause scratches on the surface. Finally, in the skin pass tension leveler line, excessive tension can cause the metal strip to break, leading to material loss and production downtime. Overly high pressure during the process can make the surface rough, affecting its smoothness and appearance. Flatness issues such as wave or bending can occur due to improper tension control, making the material difficult to handle in later stage. Additionally, edge can become damaged if tension is not applied correctly, leading to further defect.
So for the next slide is element of RR 4.0 adopted by this company. So let me explain what's the meaning of RR 4.0. RR 4.0, also known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, refer to the transformation of traditional manufacturing and industrial process through the integration of advanced technologies such as automation, artificial intelligence (AI), the Internet of Things (IoT), and big data analysis. So for the next slide is specific IR 4.0 practice at Mycron Steel, which is our company site visit. So the first point is integration of smart machinery and automation. Automated equipment in process such as cold rolling and annealing. Robotic system for material handling, reducing reliance on manual labor and enhancing safety. So advanced sensor installed on the machinery to monitor real-time production parameter. As example, the temperature, pressure, thickness of steel coil in the company. So the second point is Internet of Things. Deployment of IoT enable sensor for continuous monitoring equipment. It for monitoring equipment. For example, monitoring the condition of roller in the cold rolling mill to prevent wear and tear. So the real-time data collection for predictive maintenance, minimizing unplanned downtime. So my last point is quality control with artificial intelligence. AI power system for defect detection. So the benefit of AI in this company ensure consistent product quality and minimize rework or wastage. So the company can cut costs while running the steel or while processing the steel. Impact of IR 4.0 on micro steel. I have 3 points, which is efficiency, improved quality, and sustainability. For the first point is efficiency, reduce downtime through predictive maintenance, faster production cycle with fewer bottleneck due to automation. The second point is improved quality, fewer defect due to real-time monitoring and AI system, and enhanced product precision, ensuring consistency in roll thickness and surface finish. And my last point is sustainability, energy efficient process reduce the company carbon footprint, and better waste management through precise inventory and material usage tracking.
Hello, I'm Alif, and I will continue this presentation by giving a clarification on SDG or Sustainable Manufacturing. What is SDG? Sustainable Development Goals, or SDG, are a set of 17 objectives established by the United Nations to address global challenges. In the context of sustainable manufacturing, companies implement these goals by integrating eco friendly practices. For instance, adopting renewable energy is a commitment to sustainability. By aligning manufacturing processes with SDG, companies not only contribute to a healthier planet, but also enhance their resilience, innovation, and long term profitability while fostering a positive impact on society. Based on the company we visited, which is Mycron Steel Company, there are three things that the company applied to follow the SDG. They are using closed loops for continuous pickling process, utilizing materials that need less energy to be rolled, and using condensate water in the rinsing process. So for the first one, the SDG is applied during the pickling process. So the pickling process is a process where the steel strips are continuously pulled through the acid tanks and rinsing tanks. This process is to remove impurities such as stains, inorganic contaminants, and rust. The acid used is hydrochloric acid. This acid is recycled for the next stages that needs a lower acid concentration. This aligns with the sustainability factor as the company is not wasting any resources on expensive assets. Next, the SDG is applied during the rinsing process. This process removes excess acids on the steel strips from previous process, which is pickling. So the process uses soft water and also water that is condensed from the previous process. The heat from the pickling process creates condensed water, and this liquid is used for this process. Again, sustainability is achieved this way as the company does not have to use a lot of water as they can collect it from the pickling process just now. Lastly, the SCG is applied during the cold roll mill process. This process is to shape the metal strips by passing them through a series of rotating rolls at room temperature. The steel strip is rolled multiple times until the desired thickness is achieved. This enhances its strength and hardness while maintaining dimensional accuracy. This machine uses engines as source of power because it uses a lot of force to roll the steel. Using materials that need less energy to be rolled will lessen the consumption of fuel. At the same time, this will reduce the carbon emission from the machine, thus following the goals set by the SDG.